Hey, how's it going? So now we're here to talk about week 4. We're over halfway. Hopefully you found this class interesting and engaging. We're going to switch gears a little bit. So we're going to talk in week 4 and week 5 about body systems. And these systems are going to be, kind of the things you learned in high school biology, like your digestive system, your respiratory system. Because there's so many systems, they're kind of broken out arbitrarily in a flow that I thought made sense, but it might feel a little random to you. So I apologize. But just bear with us, and we'll have 2 weeks of animal systems, body systems, and then we'll wrap up again with a little bit of like ecology and broader, like how we fit into this world. So, brief chapter overview. In chapter 34, we're going to talk about animal nutrition. So that is digestive systems, nutrition, and energy production, digestive system processes, and regulation. In chapter 37, we're going to talk about the endocrine system, which is all about hormones. So we're going to talk about the types of hormones, how hormones work, regulation of body processes, and hormone production, and then also our endocrine glands. In chapter 39, we're going to touch on the respiratory system. So we're going to talk about systems of gas exchange across respiratory surfaces, breathing, and transport of gases in our bodies, in our blood, and, in other fluids. In chapter 40, we're going to touch on the circulatory system. So, kind of related to the respiratory system. We're going to look at the components of blood, mammalian heart and blood vessels, blood flow, and blood pressure regulation. In chapter 41, we're going to talk about osmotic regulation and excretion. This one can feel super intimidating, but, just breathe through it. You'll be okay. Osmoregulation and osmotic balance, the kidneys, and other osmoregulatory organs, excretion systems, nitrogenous wastes, and hormonal control of kidneys and other osmoregulatory functions. There is a lab on, I believe, gas exchange that may also apply to kidneys too, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And then the final chapter of the week is the immune system. So we're going to talk about the innate immune response and the adaptive immune response, antibodies, and disruptions in the immune system. I always struggle personally with the immune system, and so I really recommend, if you are struggling, seek out some podcasts, because there's actually some really great podcasts explaining the differences between the innate and the adaptive immune response, if the videos I've chosen don't cut it. All right, so that's week 4, and I look forward to seeing you in the chapter summary videos and in week 5. See ya.